In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a free trial of Tradingview. The trial lets you explore advanced charting, extra alerts, and more before paying. I'll walk you through each click, add a few tips to avoid surprises, and help you start with confidence. Start by opening your browser and heading to tradingview.com. Make sure you land on the official site. You can type the address directly into the bar. If you already have an account, sign in. If not, the site may prompt you to create one later during checkout. That's expected and quick. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right and select Upgrade Now. If you don't see it, open the menu or scroll to the pricing section. It leads to the same place. If you're already inside a chart, the Upgrade button appears near your profile as well. Clicking Upgrade just takes you to Plan Options. On the Plans page, choose the option you want to test. Each paid tier unlocks different limits, like more indicators, more alerts, and additional chart layouts. Pick the plan that matches what you want to evaluate. You can compare monthly versus annual pricing, and the trial applies before your build. If you're comparing annual versus monthly, remember annual plans often show a lower effective rate. Your trial works the same either way. Next, click Try Free for 30 days. You'll usually see a button under the plan. Trial length can vary, but 30 days is common. Trials typically auto-renew into a paid subscription, so set a note to cancel if you don't want to continue. This way you get full access now without forgetting about the renewal later. When prompted, enter your billing address. Use details that match your payment method to avoid verification errors. This information helps calculate taxes and set the correct currency. Double-check spelling, country, and postal code. Accurate info helps activation and avoids issues with small authorization checks. Finally, choose your payment method, card or PayPal, and confirm. You shouldn't be charged today, though a temporary authorization may appear. Before finalizing, review the start date, renewal date, and price after the trial. Agree to the terms, then start your free trial. If you use PayPal, ensure the account currency matches to avoid conversion fees. You now have immediate access to the premium features of the plan you selected. Set a reminder a few days before renewal if you're undecided. Manage or cancel anytime from your account's billing settings. Check your email for confirmation, then explore charts, alerts, and layouts to decide if the plan fits your workflow. That's all you need to start your free TradingView trial confidently and make the most of your evaluation period.